Hello, my dear students. Welcome to this class. I'm Merlin Milenia Carillas Alvarado. I'm English student from the UPMFM Kurnak Nakaome Valle. In this case, I'm going to be your teacher. Let's start the class. The topic for today is going to. What do you know about going to? Do you have any idea about going to? If you don't know, here is gonna be your answer. The competency for our class is perform a video talking about the future plans. When do we use going to? You are going to use going to when you talk about something is already decided. That you decided something that you are going to do. A plan. Maybe you are going to do the thing that you decided in 5 days, in a year, but you already decided what you are going to do. Even for intentions that you have or ambitions for the future. Everything is about the future. Plans that you are going to do. You are going to just going to. Okay, remember when you are going to use going to? When we talk about something already decided or when we talk about plans. Some verbs that you can use with going to are to clean, to clean, to study, to make. Now please repeat with me. To study, to clean, to make, to do, to play, to meet. Now help me. To do, to play, to meet when you meet someone. Let's learn about sentences. You are going to learn about affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Right now, you are going to learn about how you are going to create affirmative sentences. Here we have the structure. If you want to write, affirmative sentences with going to, the first things that you need to write is the subject. Then, the verb to be, plus going to, plus verb, and plus the complement. Here we have an example. She is going to be a teacher. She is going to be a teacher. Something that is going to happen in the future. She is the subject. Is the verb to be. Going to, plus the verb, in this case, be, plus the complement. She is going to be a teacher. Let's read, affirmative sentences with going to. I'm going to do my homework. It's something that I'm going to do. I'm going to do my homework. Or he is going to do the homework. The next one. He is going to be a doctor. Maybe he is studying. And in the future, he is going to be a doctor. He is going to be a doctor. Now, let's learn about negative sentences. Subject plus verb to be plus going to plus verb plus the complement. Let's read the sentence together. She is not going to be a teacher. She is not going to be a teacher. She is not going to be a teacher. Subject, in this case, she, plus the verb to be, is plus going to plus the verb, in this case be, plus the complement. Remember, when I say verb to be here, okay, here we have is, but because it's in negative, you need to write not. Not. She is not going to be a teacher in the future. Let's read some examples with negative sentences. We are not going to make a cake. We are not going to make a cake. Negative. I'm not going to meet Emma today. I'm not going to meet Emma today. Something already decided. He decided, okay, that he is not going to meet Emma today. Let's read the last time, please. We are not going to make a cake. I am not going to meet Emma today. Excellent. Okay, how you are going to create questions? It is easy, guys. Here we have at the beginning the verb to be. The verb to be plus the subject plus going to plus the verb plus the complement. In this case, the verb to be is plus the subject she plus going to, here we have going to, plus the verb, in this case be, plus the complement, a teacher. Let's read the sentence together, please. Let's read together the sentence. Is she going to be a teacher? It's a question. We don't know, okay? We don't know, but we are asking the question. Is she going to be a teacher? Okay, interrogative sentences. Are they going to visit their family? I believe yes, they are, because if you can see here, they are ready, okay, to visit their family. Are they going to visit their family? It's a question. Look, the question mark at the end. It means it's a question. Now, the next one. Is she going to travel next Monday? Is she going to travel next Monday? Yes, she is, because she's ready, and she already decided to go. Let's do an activity together. Here, we are going to organize the next sentences, and you, please, are going to help me. In this case, here we have the first one. If you can see here we have a sentence, a complete sentence, but we need to organize which is the first part, the second, and so on. Here we have going to visit. She is my father. Okay, the first part is she is. Great. She is the first part that we are going, okay, to put at the beginning. She is. She is. Going to visit is the second part, and my father. She is going to visit my father. Something already decided. Now the second one. She is not. Excellent. She is not is the first part. She is not going to be. She is not going to be a doctor. She is not going to be a doctor. Here, is she is the first part. Is she going to be a teacher? Is she going to be a teacher? Yes. Yes, or maybe not. We don't know. It's a question. This one is affirmative. negative, and interrogative. Affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence. Thank you guys for being in my class. That was everything.